My name is Basel Jalaleddine. I'm the co-founder of Cherpa. Cherpa is an online platform to teach tech courses for school students. I am here at the fair to give the workshop that is done in collaboration with MakerBrane, where we're teaching students how to create projects using MakerBrane platform and Cherpa's platform to create a full robot that is working. MakerBrane, it's a digital playground. It's very open. You can create just anything. You just get an Arduino, a Lego, littleBits, just connect them together and create your own invention. It's very easy to use. It's easily integrated with other softwares. Like in this workshop, we're integrating it with Cherpa and Arduino. So it's an easy way to just make them invent any model and apply it, and then add our own components, which are the robotics and coding to it. So I would recommend MakerBrane for literally everyone. It can be for students, it can be for kids, it can be for adults. It's literally for everyone that wants to have fun and share his own creations.